Aside from regulatory involvement, uncertainty in other blockchains often draws demand for Bitcoin as a store of value. It did happen before, and 3 days before Bitcoin Cash software upgrade, capital could flow into Bitcoin, lifting prices above $6,600, igniting short-term bulls aiming for $7,200. Still, Bitcoin Cash is one of the most fluid and valuable coin in the space. Though hash rates and decentralization levels pale in comparison with those of Bitcoin, it is still important to track its development. On November 15, a software upgrade could turn chaotic as the chain fork once more, to Bitcoin Cash SV or to Bitcoin Cash ABC. This is free cash for BCH owners and more cash for Bitcoin owners who happen to own Bitcoin Cash following last year's fork. But on focus are expectations of higher high ahead of the fork as funds flow from BCH to Bitcoin and stable coins. In that case, we expect BTC, USD to rise as it becomes a temporary store of value and a refuge against volatility. Also read, early Bitcoin pioneer speculates who Nakamoto is, gives $100 million in asset away, but even if this is temporarily, it could be the sparks necessary for higher highs now that the political landscape is changing. As results began streaming in following U.S. midterm elections, 3 pro-crypto in Gavin Newsom, Jared Polis and Boulder would be sworn in. All are crypto-friendly and progressive, with Gavin Newsom representing California. Their involvement in the national stage is important, and they could end push for supportive legislation as the SEC review 9 different Bitcoin ETF proposals. Despite price declines in lower time frames, BTC, USD is technically bullish. It is still in green territory when we take a top-down approach. Most importantly, BTC is trending above the main resistance trend line. Moving on, we shall retain a BTC, USD bullish outlook, suggesting buying on dips in lower time frames as long as it is trading above $6,300 or week ending October 21 lows. Related, Bitcoin falls to $6,300 region as altcoins continue to decline. This is so because at the moment Bitcoin is ranging and oscillating within a tight $300 range, with caps at $6,800 on the upside and $6,300 on the downside. High volume moves in either direction point to underlying bullish or bearish momentum. However, considering the depth of this year's correction, it's likely that bulls would drive above $7,000 thanks to supportive fundamentals as Bitcoin Cash contentious hard fork. Even if prices are ranging or printing higher, our BTC, USD trade plan anchors on how prices respond to October 15 high-volume bull bar. Everything else constant, the accumulation of prices inside that bar mean our previous forecasts is true, and sooner we could see prices expanding above $6,800 to $7,000 resistance zone. But, before we suggest buys, it is important for bulls to reverse recent losses and close above $6,600 and the support trend line, cancelling the bear breakout of October 29. If not, and sellers drive prices lower below $6,300, then odds of further losses below $5,800 or 2018 lows would be high. As a result, we suggest taking a neutral stand until any of our trade conditions are live. All charts courtesy of TradingView. Disclaimer: views and opinions expressed are those of the author and aren't investment advice. Trading of any form involves risk, and so do your due diligence before making a trading decision.